Good morning everyone. Yes, in yesterday's class we have learned up to our diet. Today we will learn about diseases. What is diseases? At first we need to know what are diseases. A disease is a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. That means if any part of our body or our full body is no longer in healthy conditions, it do not performing well, or some part of our body stop functioning or does not functioning well, that is called diseases can occur because of improper diet, lack of rest or exercise, or lack of cleanliness. So what are the causes of diseases? For improper diet, for not eating good food or taking junk food, lack of rest or lack of exercise, or lack of cleanliness or unhygiene routine. However, some diseases can also occur because of other reasons also. In general, diseases are of two types. So, in general, we will define, we will know that diseases are two types: non-communicable and communicable diseases. What are not communicable diseases? Not communicable, in this term, not communicable, you you can understand that no communications, or this disease cannot spread by communications. Okay, non communicable meanings is no communications. Okay, so non communicable diseases are that do not spread from one person to another by communications. Some of non-communicable diseases are caused because of the deficiency of a particular food component. For example, our lack of nutrient, lack of some vitamins or some minerals. They are called deficiency diseases. Some deficiency diseases are listed below. Night blindness. This is caused by lack of vitamin A. From and From which food we get vitamin A? Green leafy vegetables, papaya, carrot, mango, milk, butter, egg yolk, tomato are rich by vitamin A. Second is berry, lack of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is found in milk, peas, cereals and green vegetables. Scurvy, lack of vitamin C. Vitamin C is found in amla, orange, lemon and tomato. Ricket, vitamin D, milk and milk product. In milk and milk product we found vitamin D. Goiter, lack of iodine, like iodine is a mineral. Salt, cranberries, seafood, we found iodines. Anemia, lack of iron. Spinach, apple, guava, brinjal and meat. In this food we found iron. Students, look at this picture. Observe this picture given below and find more about some other non-communicable diseases. Mohan can't stop sneezing. Number 1 is Mohan. Some people are very sensitive to dust or certain other substances such as food, drugs and sometimes animals. Some people are allergic to dust, and also some food, like some people are allergic to seafoods, some people are allergic to some vegetables, Some people are allergic to dust, some people are allergic to heat or some insects, etc. Exposure such substances often make these people ill. So presence of these substances makes these people ill. This cause sneezing, itching and rashes. This condition is called allergy. As I said you that presence of some substances makes you, if presence of some things makes you ill, it cause you see sneezing or itching or rashes, you are allergic to it. Come to number 2. Look how pale and weak Satish look. Number 2 is Satish. He is looking pale and weak. He probably suffering from anemia. Anemia means lack of blood. A person suffering from anemia look pale and get tired easily. Deficiency of iron in the body can lead to anemia. That means deficiency of iron in blood in the body is can lead to anemia. Number 3, Bunty eats a lot. He eats a lot of ice cream, butter and oily food. Excess intake of fatty food, like excess intake of food which contains more and more fat, cause obesity. Obesity means one kind of fattiness. Obese people are more likely to suffer from heart diseases and diabetes. If anyone have obesity, he can suffer from heart diseases and diabetes. Okay, let's finish today's class. If you don't understand anything, let me know. I will explain that to you. I hope you understand everything very well. Goodbye. Take care.